Hello, this is Team 2 working on mechatronics project Meds on Time. When anyone forgets to take the medicine or finds difficult to arrange them, what can be done? Let's explore that.
So let's get started with Meds on Time. So the story begins. My grandma is 70 years old. She is too weak to do any sort of work. She has diabetes and is on prescription even before I was born. But now she tends to forget taking pills on time. She has poor eyesight, so my grandfather gives her the medicines every day, every time. She is completely dependent on him. But what happens when he is not around? So this thing made me realize that I need a solution for this. And guess what? I just learned automation as my subject. So this is how we, the team 2, came up with the idea of automatic medicine dispenser. We could be out for work, school, market, etc., etc. So if we can still manage giving medicines to our parents, grandparents on time, it would be such a relief. Even hospitals can be installed with these dispensers so that there is no minimum contact of nurse with the patients. So we started designing the machine based on its functions, objectives, and constraints.
Hello, my name is Samarth and I am going to give you a glance on objectives of our project. Objective number 1. Many of the old age people forget to take their medicines on time. To overcome this difficulty, we are creating a automatic medicine provider which provides the required medicine on time. Objective number 2. We are featuring the machine with a buzzer to alert the old age people to take their medicine after it is dispensed. Objective number 3. Another alarming feature is provided in a storage section to alert the user to refill it whenever it's necessary.
Hello everyone, my name is Kenneth Gokavi. I study at Kale Technological University. So now let's discuss about the prototype 3D model of a prototype. So we have used Fusion 360 for this purpose. Let's discuss the parts one by one. This is the LCD display we have put here for the ease of user interface to input the number of medicines, the time for the specified medicine, and these are the three control buttons that we have used here for the user interface. So this is the buzzer cover, inside which there is a buzzer which alerts the user based upon the medicine time. So let's hide the parts one by one to look into it, how the actual working is. So this is the inner view of the 3D model. So you can see here there are two plates here for the sake of support, and there are three servo motors here for the purpose of actuation, and there are three tubes here which is for the purpose of storing of medicines, and these tubes are actually extended till the down here, so that the medicines are come into contact with the quarter circle. So I'll explain what is quarter circle. So next is we have three pairs of IR transmitter and receiver. It is used for the purpose of sensing the tablets or medicine pills, you can say. Let's hide the support plate now, and look into the next mechanism. This is the basic mechanism we have used for the purpose of dispensing the medicine. This is the hole where the medicine goes and sits into it, and it rotates by 45 degrees and dispenses the medicine. We have the animation part of it, which is the next part. So, uh, so we have three quarter circles here for the purpose of three medicine pills, and this is the servo motor shaft which is here. So we can see the front view of the prototype. Here there are two basic parts, that is uh, dispensing cup, and one is another is slider. So We have some basic curves on slider. This is for the purpose of guiding the medicine pills. Wherever the medicine falls on this slider, it will slide in a particular way and falls into the uh, dispensing cup. So here we have three. Here we have a set of or array of IR sensors placed here. This is the IR transmitter and this is the IR receiver. So when the medicine falls into it, no matter wherever it falls, it detects the medicine and sends signal to the microcontroller, that is Arduino Mega 2560. So now let's look about the electronic components where we have placed it. So we'll hide the back cover of this model. So this is the Arduino Mega 2560. This is RTC real-time clock, and these are the IR modules. So the entire whatever we can see, the frame of the prototype is made up of hard foam. For deciding the dimensions of it, we have calculated the forces acting on it, and then we have compared it with the actual yield strength of the foam, hard foam. So this is the overview of the prototype. So we can hover over, see the entire view of the 3D model of a prototype. Uh, that is it.
I'm Akshay, taking you through the simulation part. To deeply understand how all the components work together to achieve the end result, and also as a proof of concept, we have run the simulation in two parts, that is mechanical and electrical. Coming up, mechanical simulation. We'll start with the exploded wave. As we have already seen the individual components in detail earlier, let's dive straight into its working. Tablets are loaded in their respective tubes. Small quantity is taken here for demonstration. The quarter circle slides out exactly one tablet and drops it through the hole placed 45 degrees apart. The tablet then moves along the inclined slider plate to end up in a dispenser cup. The same sequence is repeated until all prescribed dosage reaches the cup. Once done and it's time to take the medicine, the device will alert to consume medicine. Just take out the cup, consume the medicine, put the cup back into place, and it's done. As simple as that. Next, we'll have a glance at how the electrical side of this device works. Visible on screen is simplified electrical model with 3 servos, 16x2 LCD display, buzzer, and IR module. For simulation purposes, passive IR sensor is used. When the machine is initialized, you'll be greeted with a message and screen switches default to displaying meds on time. As per the prescription loaded, Arduino will indicate which servo to actuate. For this case, all 3 medicines are to be dispensed, hence actuation of all 3 servos will be visible here. Once done, user will be alerted through buzzer and message flashes on the screen. But what if the user missed the alert, or if they forgot after the first alert? Here's how we take care of it. The dispenser cup has IR module installed over it. So if the tablets remain in the cup for longer periods than expected, user will be alerted repeatedly until they are consumed. Here, this is the area where we'll see the IR module in action. Suppose the blue sphere is tablet and it enters the dispenser cup. And even after the set duration tablet isn't consumed, machine will alert with buzzer and flashing. We have reached the end of simulation part. Summing it all up, we saw how we identified the problem, defined it, specified objectives, designed prototypes to achieve that, and at last, the visuals of virtual demo. This has been a wonderful team.
Hello guys, this is Shirahatti. Welcome to Team 2 MedsOnTime.
Hello, my name is Samarth.
Hello everyone, my name is Kennith Gokavi.
I'm Akshay, signing off. Thank you.